today's vlog. And we shouldn't really have poppy music playing when you've got this there in all of its beautiful glory, because that actually looks really good. And then you just got poppy music playing, which is very strange. Zombies, zombies, and lots more zombies. You'd never think that this used to be a McDonald's, would you? If you look around the back, you can see the drive-thru.
Duck your head and follow me. Watch your head.
Oh wow. Jesus Christ. Sadly, that was a very bad run through. I was walking into the rooms and the actors were kind of getting into place, ready to go. Theming was decent. I mean, it kind of paints the story to a degree. The little lift section was good, but it just didn't hit for me at all, that one, unfortunately. We just walked through and there was actors like getting back into position, but there was no other group in front of us, so I'm not sure what that was all about. Right, heading towards Psycho Mansion and 9 circles. It is windy today. That's such a cool photo. This looks great. That looks incredible.
I love this. Beautiful from the outside, but inside, I think they've changed a little bit up.
It looks stunning. Even the eyes on the front room.
The Psycho Mansion.
Spirit of Babylon, will you welcome?
Beware, for I am
Who lives inside this ghostly place?
Come in, come in. My dear fiancé Reginald jilted me at the altar. And would you like to know what I did with him?
Yes.
I went searching for him for days, throats. And look where he is now, hanging up there with his dear father.
Baby.
Come inside, I've been expecting you. Within its four walls.
Oh.
They're not happy that you're here.
Repeat after me. Return from whence you came.
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 I think it worked. Quickly now. You need to leave before the portal reopens to make a back.
Ghosts go.
That's literally a fun house. Yeah, the work they've done in there to turn it into proper sets. That's really good. You don't need like a sane theme in the house. Pretty much speaks for itself. It's always got that haunted manor vibe, that phantom manor vibe, haunted mansion vibe. Sorry, Disney fans. I liked it. So cheesy, but so good at the same time.
On this eerie night.
9 circles. Amazed that you brave. Hello. Psycho Mansion at night time would look phenomenal. Should an event like this be at night time or late afternoon into evening? I think so. Definitely think so.
Step inside.
Thank you very much. What's this? It's a sex toy.
Welcome to hell. Follow me.
Thank you, sir.
Don't thank me yet.
Hi, handsome. Where are you going? Want to spend forever in hell? Could be forever and ever. You only have to die. But it's fine.
Flesh. Sacrifice.
God, stop! Jesus Christ!
one soul to save the 9.
Make your choice.
We got a few little jumpies in there. Definitely more of a story-led one again. But the theming in there was probably the most impressive out of all of them. That was really, really special. At night time, this would be so much better. Also, how the hell is Fantasy Island and Skegness got mazes that are better themed than Merlin theme parks? Yes, I'm including Thorpe Park in this as well. They're not as good in terms of scares, but in terms of theming, they wiped the utter floor with them. Once again, as is the case with Cubby Fantasy Island, I don't remember seeing that before. Is this new? Pizza pasta place, that olive tree? It looks cool. But for the time being, we're going to jump on Harrington's and I'm going to kick their asses once again. Victory! 331,000! Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? A nashta pasta dash hey. Sadesta Italy. £11.20 for a lasagna and a Coke. Lovely ambient surroundings. That's a portion size and a half, that. Look at the depth. Look at my healthy section.
Proper pub grub, that was very, very tasty.
Look at the theming dotted around a classic Fear Island there. Although, I still think they shouldn't have this music around at Halloween. It kind of defeats the object. Hayley is a massive Lewis Capaldi fan. They play shit in here, Hayley! Yes. Go with a lovely meal like that. You need to wash it down with a nice pint. And here we go, the Pirate Bar. All kitted out with a nice bit of ambient lighting and the football on. The space it's nicely done. It's like a lovely little courtyard. It's just a shame that obviously with the weather everyone's kind of retreated indoors, which makes complete sense. But like have an indoor sort of tent, a bit more of them, but overall over this top area, because it's a lovely little space, and you got a lovely theme stage at the end as well.
What does it mean?
It means I am a visitor at Fantasy Island. And hopefully it means with your good self and all of your friends inside the maze, we can film.
I thought that's what that meant.
Yeah.
We've had a few of those before. They didn't make it out though.
No.
Stop pointing that at me!
Been adopted. I don't think it suits the beanie though, I don't think. Definitely don't think it does. We look like cousins.
You could be my cousin.
Yeah, what's my name?
You look like Billy Bob.
Billy Bob? I'll take Billy Bob.
That's the name of my brother. Damn, who's that? He's ugly.
There's Billy Bob. You just said my name.
I don't know about the other one.
Oh, the other one. Who the hell is that?
God damn. And first, you can move your body, place it down to the side. Oh, we got trespassers! Trespassers! You hungry boy? Oh, here we go. Come on in, son. Come and grab a seat.
Okay.
We got around. Plenty of seats for all. Sarah, where's my damn chainsaw? I didn't say. Looks like I'm staying. I think we're gonna have you for dinner.
Okay. Billy Bob for tea. Oh, hi, family. But it's just me, Billy Bob.
That's it. Time to end this.
That was really, really good. Starting with him at the front, it made it immersive. It dragged us into the story, and some of the theming in there is superb. That really impressed me. Like, really impressed me. It was so immersive. You were literally front and center in the story. I love that.
There's nothing there, you bunch of fibbers. There's no.
Now they've got spooky music playing instead of the pop music. See, now this needs to open later than 6 o'clock. The maze is closed at 6 o'clock. For how cool this place would look at night time with all of the theming, the set dressing, the mazes, especially Psycho Mansion with the lighting package. Open it late. Have a daytime event for kids, and then at night have scare zones dotted around the market. Fog, live actors, walking, interactive experiences. You've got the theming, you've got the maze quality and the foundation. It just needs to open a bit later. Alright, Adventure Times UK. Alright, I'm just going down here. I'm going to take a view on my little bench here. Fear Island has been very, very impressive. They have a great foundation here. The only maze that was a little bit was that particular one, the Outpost one. Wasn't great, but other than that, it's a solid product, a solid event, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. And if the rain comes down and the weather's bad, you've got somewhere to go in, seek shelter, and enjoy the atmosphere that Fantasy Island deliver in spades. Well, I think Fear Island has been bloody brilliant, and I really do appreciate being invited down to deliver my honest opinions with these bloody vloggers. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you to Fear Island or Fantasy Island should I say, for allowing us to film little bits inside the maze, and the guy who was working the queue on Ravenous, one of the best in queue line entertainers that I've seen at any scare event this entire scare season. He was superb. Love that, love this, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.